defining and demonizing Project 2025 before anyone even knew what it was.
Nice, Road
And
King.
you can expect to hear plenty more about it this week. Good afternoon. You're listening to All Things Considered here on 90.3 WPLN News. I'm LaTanya
Oh, is that an
Turner.
undercover car?
Happy Monday,
or-
everybody. The week is off to a great start weather-wise.
Looks like it.
I'm sure you noticed.
But they nailed them in the school zone up here.
Today into the weekend.
Seems
But
odd they would light them up
overall,
there.
A great week ahead.
First of all, no
More news
siren,
coming
no
up in less
markings,
than 15 minutes here on
and that's a
90.3.
really bad
If
hill.
you step away from your radio, Bank of America, offering access to
Got some
resources
marked
and
unit.
digital tools designed to help local to from Indeed, designed to be an end-to-end hiring solution for businesses of all sizes to attract, interview, and hire candidates all from one platform. Learn more at Indeed.com/.
Colorado?
And from listeners like you who donate to this NPR station.
From NPR News, this is All Things
Interesting
Considered. I'm Mark
indeed.
Shapiro.
And I'm Elsa Chen.
What if they're
They have been
feds?
called Hollywood's worst kept secret.
Why would
Like, for example,
Highway Patrol use Colorado
commonly used
tags?
to treat diabetes.